Kirby, question. Saw you were reading a book.
Yep, everything you ever needed to know about Día De Los Muertos.
And what is Día De Los Muertos?
It's the Day of the Dead.
Sounds spooky.
Right, but it's not. Día De Los Muertos is largely a Mexican holiday that celebrates loved ones that aren't here anymore. Like Halloween, there's food and candy, and some people even dress up in costumes. But it's to celebrate, not to spook or trick people.
Interesting. And you learned all that in a book?
And there's more, and you're gonna learn all of that today.
This time on More with Kinetic Sand.
Carter, Kirby, make your own painted skull.
Starting off with the pupils of the eye.
Starting off with the nose, because the nose is easiest.
During Día De Los Muertos, these skulls, commonly made of sugar, are used to represent departed loved ones.
I'm gonna try to put a flower, make like a flower almost. We're gonna give it a try. Oh, look at that. I made a lot of skulls in my lifetime.
I'm just putting a circle.
Oh my.
I'm just putting a circle in the middle.
This is very calming and like soothing. It's very satisfying.
Kirby, do you know the Spanish alphabet?
So glad you asked that. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, S, T, X, Y, Z. That was pretty good. I forgot a letter.
So my thing is done. I'm terrible.
I would rate it like on a Carter scale, like a 10. If my Spanish teacher saw this, she would say muy bien, which means very good.
Let's make our own Kinetic Sand hot chocolate. Carter, Kirby, it's time for Kinetic Sand Spelling Bee, Spanish edition.
Oh, I'm gonna crush this.
Your word is ofrendas. Ofrendas.
I've never actually heard of that word. You probably got that off of Google Translate. And Google Translate is not a reliable source.
During Día De Los Muertos, family members built altars dedicated to departed loved ones. Ofrendas, or offerings, are placed on the altars to welcome back the departed spirit. Ofrendas can be food, beverages, photos, or mementos.
Right in front of my face. Got it.
Z. Ofrendas.
Let's make our own funny bones.
What are you reading now?
What am I not reading? I never realized what was hidden between these pages. I've learned so much in these past few weeks from books.
You've got to read the one about what really happened on the first Thanksgiving.
Read it. Now I need to find something new to be thankful for.
I know what I'm thankful for.
Kinetic Sand.
More with Kinetic Sand. We'll see you next time. Bye.